club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, about a man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Love with the shape of you. We push it all like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and in my bed you smell like you. And it is never in something brand new. But I'm in love with your body. 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 And it is never in something brand new. I'm in love with the shape. On weekend, we'll let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me, a 50 sober, all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up a plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. And even get in the taxi, it's in the backseat, tell the driver let the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love is handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push it all like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too.